Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, the station where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor, Madam Elsie, and today I will be taking you through English Form 4 lesson. So it's lesson 38, and our topic will be grammar. Subtopic will be functions of adjectives, and our subtopic will be functions of adjectives. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to define what is an adjective. So give the definition of an adjective. Number 2, identify different functions of adjectives. You identify different functions of adjectives. So we have the definition of an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about nouns. So they describe nouns or give more information about nouns. They therefore answer the question which. For example, the pen. For example, which pen? So when the person says the blue one, so the word blue is an adjective describing the word pen or answering the question which pen. Then we have adjectives as modifiers. So these are functions of adjectives in sentences. An adjective as modifier gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. If the adjective comes before the noun, it talks about, then if the adjective comes before the noun, it talks about, then we say the adjective is pre-modifying the noun. So look at the word pre-modifying. Pre means before. So the adjective is coming before the noun. It is describing or giving more information about. For example, in a sentence, decent people make a honest living. So you can see decent is describing people, but it is coming before the word people, which it is describing. So it is a pre-modifier. Then we have examples of post-modifiers. Post-modifiers, noun or pronoun. Do they have anything new? Do they have anything new? So new is modifying, or it is describing anything. So it is after the word anything, which is our noun, and the new will be our post-modifier because it has come after the word anything. Then we have number 2, the people present were all registered. So you can see present is modifying people. So which people? The present people. So present is post-modifying because it is coming after the word people. Note better, new and present, as we have said, are post-modifiers. So they have come after the nouns people and anything that they are modifying or giving information about. For example, we can have another example. Do you know the name of the Attorney General? Do you know the name of the Attorney General? Number 2, when will the President-elect be sworn in? Then we have adjectives as nouns. Adjective functions as nouns when they take place of nouns in a sentence. It normally happens when we want to refer to identifiable or well-known groups of people. For example, the guilty will be punished. So you well know the group of the guilty people. So instead of writing the names of those people, you just say the guilty will be punished. Guilty is an adjective, but here it is functioning as a noun. Then we have number 2, the religious are less likely to suffer from repression. So religious is an adjective, but it is functioning here as our noun. The adjectives must be preceded by articles as in nouns. Then adjectives used as exclamations. Articles used as exclamations. This is another function of adjectives. When adjectives are used as exclamations, they needed to appear in full sentences. For example, Mr. Lele, we have this conversation, a dialogue. So we have Mr. Lele here and we have Bikari. So Mr. Lele is saying, My students all passed their exams. Then Miss Bikeri is saying, how wonderful. Not so, Mrs. Okod. Then Mrs. Okod is saying, fantastic. So the exclamation mark appearing after the adjectives wonderful and fantastic. So you can see the one fantastic and wonderful are functioning as exclamations because you can see an exclamation appearing after those two words. But in real sense, wonderful and fantastic are adjectives, but here they are functioning as exclamations. And that is the end of our lesson, and I will require you to do the following assignment. You identify the adjectives functioning as post-modifiers and the nouns or pronouns. So, number one, my father has been appointed the postmaster general. Then number two, the principal talked to the students concerned. Then number three, those involved should come with me. Number four, they had done nothing illegal. And for reference, you can refer to Excelling in English Students Book 4 KLB, and for more information you can contact us on our SMS number 0723 14 42 59, YouTube at Elimu TV, Facebook Elimu TV, and Twitter at Elimu TV _Kenya.